MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name's Dean Ashton, and this afternoon we're going to take a look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. We'll start with the way we've powered this boat with the upgraded 150 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. We have the integrated transom seats, port and starboard. Making our way up to the helm seat is a 4-position backrest. We'll give you a leaning post, forward-facing seat, or aft-facing seat. Underneath the helm seat is a live well. At the helm, we've optioned this boat out with the Raymarine VHF radio and the Fusion stereo. We've also optioned this boat out with the T-top, powder coated with black canvas. This particular boat does have the blue hull sides. You may not see that in the video. We've also optioned this boat with the teak inlays on the gunnel and the swim platform. As we make our way up to the bow of the boat, you do have the cooler seat in front of the console and full bow sun pad. This boat is also equipped with the trolling motor panel factory installed. That's a real quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. If you'd like to see this boat in person or any of the other whalers we have in stock, contact me, Dean Ashton. Be happy to help you out.